On South Africa's National Youth Day, 78 members of Zimbabwe's Citizens Coalition for Change were detained. Among those arrested were notable figures like Jameson Timber and, shockingly, a 1-year-old child, and Britain seems to have noticed. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from our channel. The group was commemorating the June 16, 1976 uprising, a pivotal moment in South African history. British parliamentarian Lord Oates questioned a British minister regarding these arrests. Zimbabwe's actions have raised alarms, especially as the nation seeks to rejoin the British-controlled Commonwealth. The detention of peaceful commemorators is seen as a significant step back in human rights. This incident highlights the ongoing tensions and challenges within Zimbabwe. As international focus sharpens, the pressure mounts on Zimbabwe to address and rectify these actions. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.